Morning everyone. It's a beautiful morning out today. It's going to be a great drying day everyone. Just look at the sky. Although there's no clouds or blanket to keep us warm today. Hello bud. Hello bud. Hello buddy. Where are we going to go today? Oh, it's a beautiful morning. It's cold. Last time I checked it was 11 degrees, but it felt like 9. So that's cold for us Sydney people. Bud, say hello. Good morning. Hello. Isn't it a beautiful morning, bud? Yes, it's cold. It's very cold. But it's just so pretty. I did not know we'd be bushwhacking this morning. Oh, great, we've got some mud to get through. Let me think about this. There. Guess I'm going to go the other side. It's the only joyful thing about walking down the bush after it rains. There's just mud everywhere. Of course, buddy, you want to come down here. Of course. But thank God he doesn't like to roll in the mud. We don't have any of that going on, which is a good thing. Mud everywhere. Not sure we're going to do this track today. Might find another one to do.